All right, folks, we got a bit of a question with the last couple of problems that have to do with literal equations. My goblins are giving me just a minute, so I am actually sitting next to my shed outside while someone throws rocks at me. And we're going to see if we can't knock this out. These all had a specific trick with them, where first we want to distribute. Sorry for the horrible handwriting, because I'm using a chewed up pen on a phone. Okay, stage one is to distribute. Now, what we want to look at is anything that's got an x. Just like anything else, whether it has variables or not, you're going to want x stuff on one side. So I'll subtract that bx over here. So we'll have cx minus bx. Then, with this gone, I'm going to want the not x stuff on the other side. Just like if I had 3x minus 5 equals, 2x plus 1. I would want to move this over here and that over there, right? So, I'm going to do the same thing here. It's just a lot uglier. I'm going to take that 5 and add it, so add 5 to the other side, subtract 2c, and subtract 3b. Now, the trick to these, if you try to divide by c or b, you're just going to be like a Yorkie chasing your tail. Instead, you're just going to go around in circles. I'm going to take that x, and I'm going to factor it out. It's the opposite of distribution. If the x is out, get rid of x, I'm left with a c minus b. Is all this junk. Okay? So if I have x times a thing, well, no different than 3x equals a bunch of stuff. I'm going to divide by that 3, so I will likewise now divide by that c minus b. So x is now 5 minus 2c minus 3b all over c minus b. So that's just an example. That's one example. All of the 50s on our assignment are like this, where you distribute, get your x stuff on one side, your not x stuff on the other side, factor out the x, like this. That's something that we haven't seen for probably too long. Now your answer is butt ugly. I mean, that's pretty disgusting, but it is still the answer. Now I could multiply it by -1 top and bottom. I could split things up. I could do all kinds of other stuff, but if you just want to leave it like this, I'm content with it. So, hopefully that's enough for you. See you tomorrow.